Hey guys, Cameron from Audi C7 owners, and tonight we have a video showing you how to remove your headlights from your C7 Audi A6. This should be very similar to A7s and your facelift vehicles as well, but I'm going to be giving my headlights to my good friend Tyler Hayes from s5.tyler on Instagram. Some of you guys might know him because I share his stuff all the time. He does amazing custom headlight work and carbon fiber work, and he's going to tackle some C7 headlights to see if it's something he wants to offer his services for. So if you want to know how to remove your headlights, stick around and I'll show you how. Okay guys, so we're here at my passenger side headlight. We've already got the driver's side one removed. There are 4 bolts that hold your headlight on, and I'm going to show them to you. The first one is way back here in the back. You can see it right there, here, that one there. And if you look closely, you can see how the back of that plastic is open. You don't have to actually remove these completely, but it's still not a bad idea just to remove them completely and put them off somewhere where they're safe. So you remove that one. Moving towards the headlight, you can see my broken tab connector here, but hopefully yours are intact. You need to remove that screw, and these are all T30s, so you can see that one. Once you have those done, the ones on top are done. After that, we're gonna go to the inside of the headlight, and you can see the other T30 there. Remove that, and then way in the back, right there, that's the last one. So we're going to remove that T30. Once you have all 4 of those, you can slowly start to pull it out, and you have a good amount of distance to get it out so you can access the wiring harness. And we will show what it takes to remove that wiring harness once we get this pulled out. All right, once you have all the screws removed, it's time to just pull this out. You wanna make sure you don't hit your fender liner or your fender or anything like that. Have a pry tool ready because there's only one wiring harness in the back. Now, if you didn't get all the screws completely out, you might hear some kind of fall like that, and that's fine. And just gently work this out. Don't damage your headlight at all. Okay, once you get this corner out, you can kind of move it over to the side, and you can use your body to hold it up. And there's a blue tab, which you guys can see there. And you want to get your trim tool and just lift this up. It just lifts straight up. And once it lifts straight up, you can start to wiggle this wiring harness off. It might be on there kind of tight, but it should come off with just a little bit of coaxing. So the best thing that I found is grab this thing and just pull up on it slightly, make sure it's all the way up, and it'll pop all the way off. And then now you should be able to completely remove the headlight from the car. All right, so once you're ready to put your headlights back in, whether you're replacing headlights or you're modifying the ones that you have like I am, you just put them back on in reverse order. Take all the bolts out if you left any in, because it's a lot easier to get the headlights in there with the bolts out and then send them home. And when you're sending them home, make sure the headlight's aligned as you tighten them. So get them all kind of loosely snug, then get the headlight where you want it situated between your fender and everything else on your car, and then tighten them up to where it doesn't move. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll try and help you out. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next DIY.